Make a basketball Valentine's Day box with me. First, I spray painted a shoe box. Here is my printed court. You can find the link to edit and download your own printable court in the links below. Mine was a little big, so I cut it down to size and sealed it down. Here is where you should cut your hole if you need one. You can move the name and cut around the heart, or make a hole in the space below. Mine latch opens, so we'll be using that instead. I hand cut some hearts, then crimped them to decorate the sides. This would be a fun part for your little one to help with. All done. I found this basketball Valentine's hoop at Walmart. It comes with candies, basketball, and a hoop, all put together. My box has holes, so I'll be hot gluing it into there. But you could also poke it through or glue it on top. Here is my finished box.